Excellent quality. Great value. Professional product. Custom Accessories is uniquely positioned on the cutting edge of the automotive aftermarket accessories business. They offer a large selection of products that meet most exterior and interior vehicle and garage needs, including car care, steering wheels covers, compasses, tire gauges, air compressors, car organization, car comfort, and much more. At Custom Accessories, their mission is to offer automotive accessories from industry-leading brands that make customers them feel excited about their vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install and saved me hundreds. It was a bummer when my 2011 Civics headliner started sagging. It's paid off and we really don't want to put unnecessary money into it at this point. So glad I came across these. None of them broke when I was installing, not sure if other reviewers were installing them too hard or what, but I just kinda guided it in. You'll feel some tension, so don't turn it too quickly, but it went in super easily. I do wish there were maybe 2 extra in the box, but at this price I won't complain. Just thankful we didn't have to go get it replaced for hundreds more.